Hi Sammy fam. Today we are going to be trying Balkuksu, right? Oh no, Kalguksu by Bajarak? I don't know. But apparently it's, and now this is kind of troubling, assorted clam flavor ramen. So, gonna do that. I don't know why it has to be called assorted. That's upsetting to me. Why not just clam flavor? What are all these different clams doing in here? Are they different types of clams? Or do they just mean they grabbed like a handful of clams? I have no idea. The ingredients, not really clear on that. Are clams even on here? No, this is not kiddie food, even though I bet you like the smell of clams. There's lots of sodium. There's like 50 different types of sodium. Anchovy extract. Oh. It has short neck calm extract. Calm extract instead of short neck clam extract. And mussels. Some mussel extract. Okay, not all the dried onions and stuff that you normally see in ramen. So I'm gonna go make this and come back and we'll see if this short neck calm and mussel extract actually tastes good. And I wonder if calms taste like clams. Who knows? We're gonna find out. It's that important journalism here on Nomnomsammieboy. I noticed while making this that this expired December 15th, 2017. So whoopsie daisy, it is now September 2018. So yeah, but it'll probably be fine. It's just clams. Clams don't really go bad. Let's try this out. Now, just take a nice look at this. Look at these noodles. Look at how they're nice and like flat looking. And it's kind of interesting. A different noodle than what you normally get like in a ramen pack. It's kind of neat. Let's try a taste. Those noodles are fantastic. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Take another look. Like they're flat, but they're still thick. That is gorgeous and delicious. It's still quite hot, but the little bit of broth I'm getting on the noodles is actually very tasty. I don't know if I could say clammy, but that's probably just because I'm not an expert in clamminess. I would say lightly seafoody and saltwatery, freshy even. That is a hot bowl. But it's not just pure anchovy like a lot of these things are. You can tell it's different than just like the anchovy paste ones. There's some more subtlety to it. And what would go really well with this actually white wine. Man, I wish I had a glass of white wine right now. And you get a little bit of an onioniness from the onions, and you know there's carrots on here and stuff from the little vegetable packet. If I was gonna have this, you know, for a regular dinner, not judging it by its own merits, I would add in some more green onion. Maybe some shrimpies or something too. Maybe some actual clams. Let's go ahead and give the noodles a score. I think these are going to be the highest scoring noodles we've ever had. I just love them so much. 5 out of 5 on the noodles, guys. Really. Yeah, it's brilliant. And the broth is just so light and tasty. It's not too salty, but it's salty enough. It doesn't just taste like anchovy fishiness. It tastes like a more complex, subtle fishiness. Seafoodiness, clamminess. I had to give that 4.75, I think. Yeah, out of 5. Wow. So let's do the math on that. What's that? 9.75, and then divided by 2. What that sort of looks like 4.575, right? 4.575 out of 5. That might be the highest score you've ever given. Wait, no, that's wrong. That's wrong. That's the wrong math. 4.625. Yeah. Right? I think that's right. No, that's wrong. 9.75 divided by 2. It's 4.5. I have 7.5 left over. 75 divided by 2 is 37.5. 375. So 4.875. Yeah, that's right. 4.875, I think. Don't call me on my math. 4.875. Yeah. Let's dress it up a little bit. Now that it has a grade, I can alter it. Put on a little bit of bonito flakes. Oh yeah, Daddy like it. That's gonna be extra delicious. Oh, you can smell the bonito flakes. It smells so yummy. There we go. That's that fishy stuff. Guys, these noodles are the best. Wow, that's so tasty. Hard to get the little scraps. Well, guys, thank you for watching this amazing ramen pack. If you see it, buy it. Kalguksu assorted clam flavor. I don't know what different clams they put in there, but they all taste like magic together. And the noodles are the best I've ever had in a like dried instant ramen packet ever. Seriously, ever.